Hi guys, it's breakfast time ulit. So today's breakfast is bagel with cream cheese, coffee, and donut. Dito ako sa labas dahil maraming tao sa loob. Kaya dito tayo sa backyard. Yan. Yan o. Hi guys, it's 2:12 na. Late ang lunch natin. So today's lunch is apple and overnight oats. Green apple. Kalimutan ko magdala ng peanut butter. I'm so hungry. Overnight oats siya with peanut butter, almond milk, and strawberry. Nakalimutan ko maglagay ng sisig. Late ang lunch ko kasi back to discharge ko 1 p.m. at 2 p.m. Kaya nintay ko muna sila makalis bago ako nag-lunch. Kaya pagbalik ko, tapos na. Wala na akong isip-isipin pa. And then I have two admission ng 5 p.m. tsaka 6 p.m. Hopefully, late na sila dumating para hindi mapunta sa akin. Parang hindi ko siya nilagyan to ng sugar. Nagpatamis lang sa kanya is the peanut butter. Meron kaming cafeteria dito guys. Ayan siya. Pero isa lang ako. Isa ko lang kumakain. So I'm the only one here. Meron din kami yung sariling break room. Pero ayaw ko kumain doon kasi maraming tao. Actually, we have 2 break room. Yung isa break room for nursing staff. At yung isa naman break room for everyone. And then this one cafeteria. So, pwede kang kumain kahit saan. Meron din kami ditong beverage area. Pero itong lugar is under construction siya. Kaya, kinoconstruct muna yung beverage room namin. So sabi nila, we have to wait 2 weeks before matapos ang construction. I think I'm just gonna eat the strawberry. But I'm full na. Pero I'm full. Kaya mo na. And I have one more piece. Ito sa cafeteria. May mga food din silang sinuserve for employees. It's up to you if you wanna get or gusto mo din ng food mo. Pero today, I think ang menu nila is soup pa. Para hindi namin nakamayin sa soup, so it's good. Meron akong sarili kong baon. So, like, every week is nag-i-email sa amin ng menu. Para alam namin kung anong isa-serve nila. Alright, that's it for today's eating vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.